Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. How are you today? It is Tuesday, February 6th, 2018. People, to say the least, sincerely, I nailed this to the wall. To the wall. What we're dealing with here is a politically weaponized stock market. Now let's cover what I am talking about. It's almost unbelievable. The mainstream financial channels are still trying to figure out what happened yesterday with that major sell-off. Dow down 1,600 points within a matter of seconds. It cuts those losses in half. They just can't figure it out. And I outlined this for you, I think, to the letter, exactly what happened and why in the video that I did yesterday at my post-market wrap-up. Let's talk about what's going on right now. And then I want to back up just a little bit from there. As I am doing this video blog, stocks are up across the board. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is up about 200 points. The Dow Jones Industrial Average opened down over 500 points. All right. Last night, the futures were down around 1,200 points, over 1,200 at one particular time. The bond market, some very suspicious action was occurring in the bond market last night. All of this seems to have kind of played out again overnight. Stocks made a major rebound. Again, this is a political weapon. I'm referring to the stock market. This whole thing yesterday, that major sell-off, was literally exactly what I said it was. They wanted to shake out the weak hands, run the stops here, so now President Trump can start using the market again. Look at the rebound. Look how strong this market is. It had a major sell-off, but look at the bounce. I mean, really, people, it's just so evident to me and so obvious. Now, granted, it's early right now and anything can happen with this stock market, but there is no safety play. There's no cash moving into bonds. The dollar isn't doing anything. Cash is actually coming out of gold and silver, which are lower, the paper derivatives, for which you know are fake anyway. So there is no safety play. What does that tell me? That tells me this market is moving higher. Just like I said, look, I do not have any open positions yet. I'm still waiting. I want to sit back and watch. I may take up a position or two today. We'll see. There's nothing wrong with sitting back and watching this, and that's what I am going to do, just to make sure I am right here. But I just have to say once again, and as a matter of fact, I'm going to urge you, if you haven't already, to watch the video that I did last night. Exactly true. I outlined it perfectly. And I think I'm the only guy out here, anywhere, probably on the planet, that nailed it like that. So go have a look at that video, and then try to evaluate for yourself what you're seeing right now in the market. Now, again, this could reverse throughout the day, but don't watch the stock market. If stocks dip into the negative again, look at other aspects. For example, the bond market. What's it doing? Is there a major safety play? Is cash going into bonds like we saw yesterday? There was a lot of fear. The dollar. What's the dollar doing? Is there a knee-jerk into the dollar, which you would see in a safety play? Is cash moving into gold and silver? None of this is happening right now. I mean, we have a little bit of money, cash, going back into the dollar here, but nothing at all. So, in my view here, the worst is behind us, no doubt about it, and they have weaponized the stock market yet again. It's unbelievable how they pull people along like this, and the mainstream financial channels, they just play along with it. Either one, because they're too stupid to understand what's really going on, or two, they're sitting there reading the script. Make up your mind. Anyway, let's watch this market today. If I do post a new position, which is highly likely at this point, I will post it all over my social networks so you can follow along with me. And we're gonna rip the face off of this like you have no idea. Anyway, with that said, I'll see you at the end of the day. We're gonna sum all this up, and I can promise you it's gonna be fun. Over and out.